Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We are very happy to see you here again. If you want to learn English in a simple way, if you want to improve your speaking skills, and if you want to understand English more easily, then you are in the perfect place.
On Dr. Manha English Channel, we practice English with slow conversations, simple words, and clear pronunciation. Our goal is to help you speak English with confidence and comfort.
Many students know English grammar. Many students know English vocabulary. But when they want to speak, they feel shy or nervous.
Why?
Because they do not practice speaking enough.
The best way to improve speaking is conversation practice.
When you listen and repeat simple conversations, your brain slowly learns how to create sentences naturally.
That is why today we bring you another interesting and useful English conversation.
Hobbies are things we enjoy doing in our free time. Everyone has hobbies. Some people love reading books. Some enjoy playing sports. Others like watching movies, cooking, drawing, traveling, or listening to music.
Hobbies are things we enjoy doing in our free time. Everyone has hobbies. Some people love reading books. Some enjoy playing sports. Others like watching movies, cooking, drawing, traveling, or listening to music.
Talking about hobbies is very common in daily conversations. When you meet new people, they often ask, "What are your hobbies?"
What do you like to do in your free time?
So today, our friends me and you will have a long and friendly conversation about hobbies. They will share their favorite activities, ask questions, tell stories, and help you learn useful English sentences.
While listening, you can also repeat the sentences with them. This will help you improve your pronunciation and fluency.
So, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English with Dr. Manha English Channel.
All right.
Let's begin today's conversation.
Hello, everyone. My name is Manha.
Hello, friends, and my name is Umer.
Today, we are going to talk about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies are very interesting.
Everyone has hobbies.
Hobbies make life more fun.
Umer, let me ask you a question.
Okay.
What is your favorite hobby?
I have many hobbies.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Tell us about them.
One of my favorite hobbies is reading books.
That is a great hobby.
Yes, I love reading.
What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks.
Do you like adventure stories?
Yes, I like adventure and mystery stories.
Reading books is very useful.
Yes, it helps me learn new words.
It also improves imagination.
That is true.
When do you usually read books?
I usually read books at night.
Before sleeping?
Yes.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
In my free time, I like listening to music.
Oh, nice.
Music makes me happy.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, almost every day.
When do you listen to music?
I listen to music while studying.
Does it help you focus?
Yes, it does.
That is interesting.
Now let's practice some sentences.
You can repeat after us.
My hobby is reading books.
My hobby is listening to music.
I like playing football.
I like watching movies.
Very good.
Keep practicing.
Umer, do you like outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I do.
What outdoor hobby do you like?
I like playing football.
Football is very popular.
Yes, many people love it.
When do you play football?
I play football in the evening.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, I play with my friends in the park.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is very fun.
Playing sports is also healthy.
Yes, it keeps the body strong.
Umer, I want to tell a short story.
Sure, I like stories.
This story is about a boy named Ahmed.
Okay.
Ahmed loved drawing.
Drawing is a great hobby.
Yes, he drew pictures every day.
Did he draw animals?
Yes, animals, trees, houses, and people.
That is nice.
At first, his drawings were simple,
That is normal.
but he practiced every day.
Practice makes you better.
After many years, Ahmed became a professional artist.
Wow,
His hobby became his career.
that is amazing.
This shows that hobbies are very important.
Manha, hobbies can also help us learn English.
Yes, that is true.
For example, if you like movies,
You can watch English movies.
if you like reading,
You can read English books.
you can listen to English songs.
Learning becomes fun.
Exactly.
Repeat these sentences.
My hobby is drawing.
I like playing football.
I enjoy reading books.
In my free time, I listen to music.
Excellent.
Today we are talking about hobbies.
Hobbies make life more interesting.
Yes, hobbies help us relax and enjoy our free time.
Manha, I want to ask you something.
Sure, Umer.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
That is a very popular hobby.
Yes, many people enjoy movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Comedy movies are very funny.
Yes, they make me laugh.
Do you watch movies alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone, but I prefer watching movies with friends.
Watching movies with friends is more fun.
Yes, we laugh together.
My hobby is also watching movies.
Really?
Yes,
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Action movies are exciting.
Yes, they are full of adventure.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like many actors.
That is nice.
Movies are also good for learning English.
Yes, they help improve listening skills.
When you watch English movies, you learn new words.
And you hear real conversations.
Yes, that is true.
When we enjoy something, learning becomes easy.
For example, if you like cooking,
You can watch cooking videos in English.
if you like sports,
You can watch sports interviews in English.
if you like reading,
You can read simple English stories.
learning English should be fun.
Yes, not boring. Umer, do you like creative hobbies?
What do you mean?
Creative hobbies like drawing or painting.
Oh, yes.
Do you like drawing?
I'm not very good at drawing,
That is okay.
but I like photography.
Photography is a great hobby.
Yes, I enjoy taking pictures.
What do you like to photograph?
I like taking pictures of nature.
Nature is very beautiful.
Yes, trees, mountains, and sunsets look amazing in photos.
Photography helps you see the world differently.
Yes, it makes you notice small details.
Now let's practice speaking.
Repeat after us.
My hobby is watching movies.
My hobby is taking photos.
I enjoy listening to music.
I like playing sports.
Very good.
Practice these sentences every day.
Umer, let me tell another short story.
Sure.
This story is about a boy named Bilal.
Okay.
Bilal loved music.
Music is a wonderful hobby.
Yes,
What did Bilal do?
Bilal started learning the guitar.
Was it easy?
No, it was difficult at first.
Learning instruments takes time.
Yes.
Did he practice every day?
Yes, he practiced daily.
That is very important.
After some years, he became very good.
Wow,
Now he plays guitar in concerts.
that is amazing.
His hobby became his passion.
Manha, hobbies need practice.
Yes.
If you practice regularly, you improve.
The same rule is true for English.
Practice every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Small practice creates big results.
In my free time, I read books.
I like playing football with friends.
My hobby is listening to music.
I enjoy watching movies.
Great job.
Manha, hobbies make people happy.
Yes, they reduce stress.
Life becomes more enjoyable.
Everyone should have a hobby.
What is your favorite hobby, dear listener?
Think about it.
And try to talk about it in English.
Practice sentences like, my hobby is.
I enjoy.
In my free time, I like. Because everyone has hobbies.
And hobbies make our free time enjoyable.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do.
Traveling is also a hobby for many people.
Yes, many people love visiting new places.
Where do you like to travel?
I like visiting mountains.
Mountains are very beautiful.
Yes, the fresh air is wonderful.
Traveling also helps us relax.
And we learn about new cultures.
Yes, traveling teaches many things.
Manha, do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What places do you like to visit?
I like visiting historical places.
That sounds interesting.
I enjoy learning about history.
Traveling can also improve English.
Yes, when you travel, you meet new people.
And you practice speaking English.
Exactly. If someone asks about your hobbies, you can say simple sentences.
For example, my hobby is reading. I like playing football.
I enjoy watching movies.
In my free time, I listen to music.
These sentences are simple.
But they are very useful.
Repeat these sentences with us.
Ready?
My hobby is traveling.
My hobby is traveling.
I like visiting new places.
I like visiting new places.
I enjoy spending time with friends.
I like learning new things.
Very good. I want to share another story.
I enjoy your stories.
This story is about a girl named Aisha.
Okay?
Aisha loved reading books.
Reading books is a great hobby.
Yes.
What kind of books did she read?
She read adventure stories.
Adventure stories are exciting.
Yes, they take you to new worlds.
Did she read every day?
Yes, she read every day.
That is wonderful.
Reading improved her vocabulary.
And her imagination.
Yes.
Books are great teachers.
Many people like playing games.
Yes, games are a popular hobby.
Do you like playing games?
Yes, sometimes.
What kind of games do you play?
I like puzzle games.
Puzzle games are good for the brain.
Yes, they improve thinking skills.
Yes, they improve thinking skills.
Some people also enjoy video games.
Yes, but we should play games in balance.
Too many games are not good.
That is true.
Sharing hobbies with friends is fun.
Yes, hobbies bring people together.
You can play sports with friends.
Or watch movies together.
You can also study together.
Learning becomes easier with friends.
Repeat these sentences.
I like playing games.
My hobby is traveling.
I enjoy reading books.
I enjoy spending time with my friends.
Excellent.
Yes, hobbies are things we love to do in our free time. Hobbies make our life more interesting.
Do you like writing?
Yes, sometimes I like writing.
Writing can be a very useful hobby.
Yes, writing helps us express our thoughts.
Some people write stories.
Some people write poems.
And some people write daily journals.
Writing a daily journal is a great habit.
Yes, it helps us improve our English.
Manha, do you write every day?
Yes, I try to write every day.
What do you write about?
Sometimes I write about my daily routine.
That is a great idea.
For example, I write simple sentences like, I woke up early today.
Then what?
I had breakfast with my family.
Very nice.
I studied English for 1 hour.
These simple sentences improve writing skills.
Yes, and they also improve speaking.
Manha, hobbies can help us learn English faster.
Yes, that is true. If your hobby is cooking,
You can learn cooking words in English.
if your hobby is football,
You can watch football commentary in English.
if your hobby is drawing,
You can watch English art tutorials.
learning becomes fun.
Exactly.
My hobby is writing.
My hobby is writing.
I enjoy learning new things.
I like spending my free time reading.
I practice English every day.
Great job.
I have another story.
That is great. I enjoy your stories.
This story is about a girl named Sarah.
Okay.
Sarah loved cooking.
Cooking is a wonderful hobby.
Yes,
What did she cook?
she cooked many dishes.
Did she cook every day?
Yes, she practiced cooking every day.
Practice is very important.
Yes.
What happened later?
After many years, Sarah became a famous chef.
Wow,
Her hobby became her career.
that is inspiring.
Yes, hobbies can change our lives.
Many people love music.
Yes, music is a very popular hobby.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
Singing makes people happy.
Yes, it relaxes the mind.
Do you sing alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is very fun. I like listening to music.
I enjoy singing songs.
I like cooking.
I like learning new recipes.
Excellent.
Manha, hobbies also help us learn new skills.
Yes, hobbies improve our abilities.
For example, photography improves creativity. Sports improve physical strength.
Reading improves knowledge.
And English practice improves communication.
Exactly.
Dear listeners, remember one important thing.
Learning English is a journey.
It takes time and practice.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Just keep practicing every day.
Dear friends, thank you so much for spending your time with us today on Dr. Manha English Channel.
We are very happy that you joined Manha and Umar for this English learning conversation about hobbies and speaking practice.
Learning English becomes easier when you practice regularly and enjoy the process. Hobbies make learning fun and interesting.
So remember, speak a little English every day. Listen to conversations, repeat sentences, and try to use English in your daily life. Even small practice can make a big difference over time.
If today's podcast helped you, please like this video and share it with your friends and family who are also learning English.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel so you never miss our new English learning podcasts.
In the next episode, Manha and Umar will bring another exciting conversation that will help you improve your English speaking confidence, vocabulary, and listening skills.
Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence.
We will see you again very soon on Dr. Manha English Channel.
Goodbye, everyone.